That's dope.
What is that?
So we got a fire starter.
Nice. So we can burn some bitch's house down.
That
broke my heart. Just kidding.
Alright. How are we gonna stop the fire though?
Shit, I don't know. I'll pee on it. Nah, just kidding. We can get some of these. Like last time, remember? We had like less than half of one.
Yeah, that's true. For only 88 cents.
And I'm gonna buy it because it's the cheapest thing that we have.
No, this is pretty good though. To like, you know.
You think they'll be able to tell? Just kidding.
Nah, you good. We trying to get some drinks.
Me dicen el barrendero. Oh shit, when you about to turn up with some fucking lime water. Lime water. I gotta get my spit all up in my shoes, you know what I'm saying? Oh hell yeah, we good. Oh shit, I'm slipping.
Get on top of that,
I can't do it, it's too hard.
They're all looking at you.
Have you ever noticed, like, a fucking, what's it called? Damn, I forgot what I was gonna say. God damn it.
God damn it, why are these guys taking forever?
I know, fuck, McDonald's fucking... You know what? It's funny because I was just watching Super Size Me like 2 days ago because they have it on Netflix. And I'm over here at fucking Mickey D's getting a fucking McGriddle or whatever the fuck you bought me and some fries. It's fucking disgusting, nigga. Like what disgusted me more was the fucking
oh, here we go. Should I reach the amount for
the chicken nuggets? Yeah, fucking assholes. Just kidding.
Okay, 7.55.
Thank you.
Me voy a poner el cinturón, güey, porque viene una chota. Ahí viene la chota, güey.
¿Y antes?
Out of the Maverick. Out of the fucking Maverick, dude.
God damn. That's crazy, huh? How people getting pulled over left and right.
Yeah, fool, it's fucking...
That's not even cool, man.
It's not, they need to leave our people alone. Even though I support Trump, they need to leave my people alone. You know what te dije. So right now we are gonna go hike up a little trail. It's not too tall, not too steep, and we're gonna start a fire and not a fire, but
bonfire,
like a bonfire type of deal. And
there's the car behind us. God damn it!
Y la migra is behind us. Not just kidding, but yeah, we're gonna go up there, snack out for a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Hey,
no, I plead the fifth. Lean on my lip, my sleep, walking.
Straight up. So me and Danny are just chilling in here, eating. And there's this motherfucker over here who decides to park next to us. He's just fucking looking at us. What the fuck is wrong with him?
We'll fuck him up, nigga.
Yeah.
Shit,
should we get out right now?
Yeah, let's go fight him. Nigga, Thomas taught me how to fight.
After we finish eating, though.
Before, nigga. Nah, just... Oh, is that the Ranger, Johnny? Get the fuck up on my park. Y'all gotta get the fuck out of here.
Oh! You got the fucking, what is that? The American flag or what?
The I voted for Trump flag?
Alright, so we're up here.
Yeah.
Right now, and we got a pallet from work. We're gonna use this for to start a bonfire. And then we got snacks.
Yeah.
We got I got some snacks, drinks, and we got more wood. And we got a fucking popcorn.
And we got this beautiful ass view.
Yeah. There's a bunch of fucking cars down there.
There's some guy rocking out out to some fucking AC/DC down there. It's fucking sick.
Alright, but yeah, we got a long way to go. There's a fucking, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's fucking, it's fucking,
it's easy. Tryouts for the challenge.
It's fucking steep. But that's a lot of shit, dude. And we gotta go up this motherfucker. It's all good though. We got this, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do this.
Should I just start?
So we made it to the spot, to the view
Oasis.
to the to the oasis. We made it up to the spot with the bonfire, and we got this, Luis got this shit started. I didn't do anything besides eat all the snacks and watch him get it started. Angie. But yeah. Stephanie, just have Luis. I'll FaceTime you so I can feel like you're up here with us. Right now. I'll put you on the FaceTime. All right. No, I'll call you. All right, peace.
I got 2 phones. Hey, why you got 2 phones?
Did I wait?
Are you cheating on your girl?
Yeah, one's for when I tell girls I'm single, and this one's for the girl I'm actually talking to. Yeah, like look, this girl just texted me right now because she thinks I'm single. This is the single phone. This is the taken phone. Yeah. Just kidding. Oh.
Was that you?
Where's Fanny? Oh, let's call Fanny. I'm not Thomas, Fanny.
Dude, we brought a pallet up here from work.
They'd be like, young Louise, why you trapping? So,
Alright, so we're up here at the view. We bought hella snacks. Brought munchies.
oh, never mind, don't touch them, fucker. You're not getting any either.
Yeah, I paid for some of this shit.
I paid for this soda because they were 88 cents. Dude, I feel like I can breathe better out here. So
Yeah, it's so like.
why is XL Steph not fucking answering? Excuse me, shawty, don't get me started. Your shit sick, my shit retarded. You like my rhymes, Luis?
Okay, we got drinks, we got cookies.
They'd be like, yo, hide. Mierda.
My phone's dead too.
Wait, I want to see this thing burn.
Bro, it's hella hot.
Nah.
Nah, we good. I like it. Was that a fart?
Nah.
Are you sure?
That was my stomach growling. Era la bestia. Telling me it's hungry.
Okay. Where's the popcorn? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah. We should bring some girls up here next time and get them drunk and then just fuck them and leave them up here.
Who want to do that?
Shit. I would. Tell me why these Cheetos are so fucking lit right now, dude.
Oh, it feels good. That's all I know.
It does, huh?
Oh, I could be up here all night.
Hell yeah. I could live up here, nigga.
If only we had a tent, though.
I can make my own TV show. Called Surviving with Serta. Shit. fuck around. Call me. Florida Grills. Damn, dog. It's like we're in a fucking freezer. Fill my drink, bro.
Damn.
Fuck.
Show them what you got in your hands.
Yeah, it's a Shasta, Dr. Shasta. Fucking 88-cent soda from Winco. Turn this fucking fire off.
Shake it more.
It's just about
Yeah,
to
more.
blow up.
Get close, though. Get close. Drop it.
Fuck, that shit got all over me, dog.
It got all over me, fucker.
Fuck, my bad.
Damn, sonny.
Hey, we got it though.
Yeah.
Get way. We got it.
Bro.
Did I get all over the camera?
Yeah, probably.